In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import XML in Draw.io. If you already have a diagram saved as an XML file and you want to bring it into Draw.io, the process is very quick. Once you're inside the diagram editor, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the main file controls and import options. Start by clicking File. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices related to creating, opening, saving, and importing diagrams. From that menu, hover over Import From. This will expand another menu with different import sources. From there, choose Device. Selecting Device tells Draw.io that the file you want to import is stored locally on your computer. As soon as you click Device, your computer's file browser will open. At this point, navigate to the folder where your XML file is saved. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct file, especially if you have multiple diagram exports in the same location. Once you find the XML file you want to use, click on it to select it. Then click Open or simply press Enter on your keyboard. After that, Draw.io will import the file and load the diagram immediately into the editor. In most cases, you won't need to do any additional setup. The XML content will appear as a diagram that you can start reviewing or editing right away. This makes XML import especially useful if you're reopening a previously exported Draw.io diagram or sharing editable diagrams between devices or team members. If the file opens successfully, you should now see the full diagram on the canvas. From here, you can continue working as normal, whether that means adjusting shapes, editing labels, reorganizing connections, or saving the file in another format later. One helpful tip is to make sure your XML file came from a compatible diagram source, since Draw.io imports its own diagram XML structure most reliably. If the file doesn't look right after opening, double-check that you selected the intended XML file and not a different data file with the same extension, and that's all there is to it. To import XML in Draw.io, go to File, hover over Import From, select Device, choose your XML file from your computer and open it. The diagram will load right away, and you'll be ready to continue editing.